Good afternoon or morning. My name is Fern Giovanni and I'm going to present my local physics projects. Here is the table that I have written down the result after doing the website. And today I'm going to present and give a brief explanation about the formula and also the table. So first let's start with the parallel springs. After written, I have written the K parallel or the K total, the x1, x2 and the x total. To find the K parallel is simply we just have to add the K1 and K2. So it's respectively is 400, 600 and 800 for both of the force. For x1, x2 and x total, for the parallel springs, they have the same amount or the quantity. So if x1 is 0.125, it means x2 will be the same, 0.125, and x total will be the same. So as you can see from the table, I'm going to photo it and put beside of this video so Miss can see. So yes, this is for the parallel one. Now let's go to the series springs. For the series springs, Miss have added additional box or rows for the F1 and F2. For series springs, F1, F2, it means equals with the original force or the force that we taken. So if the first initial force is 50, it means for the F1 and F2 is the same. It's going to be 50 and 50. And if the force is 100 Newton, it means for F1 and F2 both, they will be 100 too. So here's the K-series. What makes different from series and the parallels? K-series, they use 1 over K1 plus 1 over K2 plus 1 over K3 and etc. It's different than K-parallel. So here's is the K1, 200 and K2 is 200. If we 1 over it total, it's going to be 100. If 200, 400 is going to be 133.3 and 200, 600 will be 150. For both of the force, 50 and 100, they have the same amount of K-series because the force doesn't really affect that much. For the X total, to find the X total, which is the deflection, for the series, they have the same amount of the X series. So it's like 1, 0.875 and 0.833. It means like X total equals to X1 equals to X2 is for the series. So what can I simplify and conclude from this? The parallel springs, to find the force, it means F1 plus F2. To find the deflection or the elongation, is x1 equals to x total equals to x2. So it means they're the same. To find the equivalent spring constant for parallel, it's K1 plus K2 plus K3, etc. For the series springs, to find force is force total equals to F1 equals to F2. To find x is x1 plus x2. And to find the constant is 1 over K1 plus 1 over K2 and etc. Thank you for your attention.